Okay, so a quick mail call before I get back into it. I have a couple of epoxy projects coming up that I need this for. I'll actually link the brand that I use down below, along with a fresh bottle of CA glue. I needed a thin consistency one. This is going to be perfect for that. And some sweet looking walnut ovals for an epoxy project. I'm digging way down deep into my router bit collection for a special detail on this oak table I'm working on. This is what I went with. I think it turned out really good. After sanding a bunch of stuff first, including pre-sanding the table parts, I use painter's tape to reduce glue cleanup. While the glue dries on the first part of the assembly of the table, I'm going to take this heart I just finished up and add my logo to the back of it with my small laser. After the heart is done, it's off for a nice soak in some food-safe mineral oil. I also have 3 other boards that have to sit in there as well too. And then first thing in the morning, it's a nice lathering of some board butter and a polish. I'm a big fan of Bessie clamps. I have several of them in my shop. It's a bit of an investment at first, but it's really worth it in the end. I also have a few of these extenders that make the clamps longer, which will be perfect for the next glue up of this project. Glue ups can be so stressful. This one is all done and I'm happy about that. On the next episode, I'm going to take it out of the clamps, build some drawers, and then even make a mold for an epoxy project I have coming up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more vlogs and project videos.